Hello and welcome to Sunday Special. I'm Raghav and today I have a very interesting and a very useful topic for you, and that is 4 levels of learning. And I can promise you that once you know these 4 levels, you will not be able to stop yourself from learning anything new until you reach the 4th level. I got to know about this from a talk from Jordan Belfort. I will provide the links in the description of this video. I have also written an article about this on my blog lifecharger.org. You can also read it there. So let's get started and let us learn about these 4 levels of learning. The first stage or the first level is unconscious incompetent. Whenever you start to learn anything new, a new skill, a new topic, anything new, we do not know anything about that topic, anything about that skills, and we do not even know how to proceed or from where to get the information. So we are at a stage of unconsciously incompetent. You can think of any skill in the past that you have learned, maybe like learning to drive a car. You do not know anything at the first stage, how to do it, where to start, what all sources to follow. So this stage, this level is called unconscious incompetent. The next level or the second level is called conscious incompetent. Here we know few things, or we are aware of few things about the skill or the topic or the thing you want to learn. We are still not good at it, but we know few things about the topic, how to do or what to do. So this stage is called conscious incompetent. The next level or the next stage, that is the third level, is called as conscious competent. Now here you have already practiced the skills a couple of times and you are good at it, but you still need a lot of focus and concentration to do that. Remember when you were a child and you just learned to tie your shoelaces? After practicing it a couple of times, you were able to do it and you became good at it, but you still needed a lot of focus and concentration to do it. The same thing happens with any new skill like driving a car or learning to drive a car. After a few practice sessions, you are able to do it, but you still need a lot of focus and concentration. So this stage, this level is called as conscious competent. The last stage or the fourth level is unconscious competent, and this is when you have practiced your skill, your thing so many times that you become so good at it that you can do it without any conscious effort or without putting lots of focus and concentration. For example, now you can tie your shoelaces without so much of concentration. You can tie your shoelaces while you are watching TV, you can drive while you are listening to music. And to get from stage 3 or level 3 to level 4, that is to get from conscious competent to unconscious competent, there is just one thing that is required, and that is practice, practice and practice. And I can tell you that our unconscious mind is so much more powerful than our conscious mind. And there is a little science behind it. Whenever we do the same thing over and over again, our brain develops neuron memories, and that is whenever we do a thing repeatedly, our brain neuron transmit nerve impulses that travel the same path over and over again, and when they travel the same path for so many times, like 100 and 1000 times, they create a memory. So whenever the next time they have to travel the same path, it is so fast, so easy, and you can do it without any conscious effort. So the next time whenever you are going to learn anything new, initially you will fail over and over again, and that is completely okay. Now you know these 4 levels. You will know that you are at level 1, which is unconscious incompetent, and to go to the next levels, the only thing required is practice, practice and practice. Do it over and over again until you reach the second level, then the third level and the fourth level, which is unconscious competence. Now in the comment, let me know what is that one thing that you are going to try new, whether it is learning a new language, a new technology, a new musical instrument, dance, cooking, whatever it is that you want to learn. Write it down and let me know in the comment section, and also let me know how do you like this video. I will meet you in the next episode of Sunday Special. Thank you for watching.